For today's word study lesson, you will need to sign on to Schoology and find the assignment you see here. Earlier today, we talked about the prefixes com and con. After reading through several words and figuring out the definition of those words, we came to the conclusion that the prefixes com and con stand for with or together. So today you are going to be looking up 4 words with the prefix of com and 4 words with the prefix of con. I have already given you the 4 words that you need to be looking up in your dictionary. You will need a dictionary to find these words here: confuse, consider, convince, concert. And for com, it'll be comfort, community, compete, and compare. Using your dictionary, you need to find the definition for each word. Once you find it, you will double click in the box here that says double click to type here and type the definition for each one of these words. When you're done, make sure you check your spelling and punctuation before you hit submit to your teacher.